So I've talked a little bit about the problem that I see with mold toxicity and our inability to methylate and to detoxify and to eliminate toxins from our body, and how they all accumulate and cause toxic burden, and our bodies become acidic, and then all of these symptoms start. So Dr. Morse is really good with giving a lot of analogies, and I thought it was really interesting because, I'm healing home or whatever, and so he talks about the three main things that our bodies is cells, trillions of them. Everything is made of cells. And we've got our lymph, which is 3/4 of our interstitial fluids in our bodies. And then you've got the blood, which is 1/4. And what the lymph and the blood do for our cells in order to keep us thriving and alive. So he says that the blood is like your kitchen in your house. And so the blood it's like somebody preparing things in the kitchen with all of this nutrition and to feed your cells of your body. So it's delivering nourishment. We are what we eat, right? And so the quality of our foods is going to indicate the quality of our cells, which is the quality of our health. And so there's the important thing of making sure that your blood, it has the nutrients in order to feed your cells what they need in order to thrive. Now, your blood is alkaline. It's like 7.5 on the pH scale, which is the alkaline side. And your blood has to be around that level, or if it's much off than that, you die, basically. And so what the blood will do is it will take from other, your vascular system, your arteries or whatever, takes from the bones. It takes calcium from the bones. This is the reason I believe that cholesterol becomes greater, because your blood is trying to become more alkaline. Cholesterol is anti-inflammatory, and it is trying to help your body to be in a more alkaline state. So I feel like the high cholesterol, basically all that is telling you is that your body is acidic, and it's trying to help you. And when all of these, when the blood is trying to take these from other parts of the body, like the bones or your connective tissue or whatever, this is what causes a lot of the symptoms that you have, is because of your blood trying to stay alkaline in a body that is acidic, which people with mold toxicity, we've already said, because of the level of toxic burden, our bodies are acidic. It's just the way that it is, even though we haven't meant to. That's just what mold does, I believe. But anyway, and so the blood is like your kitchen. But it's only 1/4 of your body fluids that are going around your cells and are nourishing your cells. The 3/4 of the part, which is in his video, The Great Lymphatic System, he talks about the lymphatic system being such an important part of your health, and that it doesn't really get the attention that it deserves. Your lymphatic system is to help the elimination of waste, and it's also a major part of your immune system. And so it is very important to keep the lymph system fluids clean and moving. And what happens is when your body becomes acidic, and then the lymph becomes thick and it becomes really mucousy, and then it clogs up, and then the cells, because and this is another one thing he says too, is that basically every living thing, or not, I mean anything really, in chemistry is a system of consumption and elimination. And cells do the same thing. They consume from the blood all of the good stuff, and they get rid of the cellular waste. They get rid of it, and it goes into the lymphatic system. And if we don't have good things in our cells, nourishing things in our cells, then we're not going to have nourishing things in our lymphatic system. And then the cellular waste gets backed up into the cells because the lymph can't take it because it's gotten all congested and backed up. And then this is what causes us issues. We can't eliminate because all of the elimination systems in our body have become compromised because of the mold. Remember, you've got your kidneys are big, your skin, your colon, your liver, your lungs. You're breathing in the mycotoxins. That's one of the first things that can get mucousy or whatever. And so the whole, the lymph system, back to the whole home thing. So your lymph system is your big, like your septic system in your bathroom. And so you eliminate a lot of things through the toilet, and it goes down into your septic tank. And we've usually only got one septic tank in our house, but there's a lot of septic tanks in our bodies, which are called the lymph nodes. And then the lymph nodes, they release into your skin, which is what we detoxify from, is the skin. But there again, that gets messed up with mold toxicity. So we're just holding on to so much toxic burden. And we got to figure out how to clean that up. And then then I talked about the whole thing with your reactions, and then you're not able to do things to detoxify. It's just a big problem. And with the analogy, which with the kitchen and the bathroom in the house, where your blood is providing you with all this nourishment from what you are taking in, and is preparing that for the cells. And then your lymph system is taking the cellular waste of things that your cells don't need out. And we've got to figure out a way to open that up. And I am doing it. I have found it. I feel like that I am getting rid of reactions, and I feel like that I'm finally doing what I need to do to get myself into into an alkaline state instead of being so acidic. And so in the next video, I want to share with you about being in an alkaline state, and we can do it.